Hey guys, welcome. Okay. On a normal school day, I get home from practice around 6:30, but since today was like senior skip day, I ran a couple errands and didn't get home until 7:30. During the fall and winter time, I usually like to turn on my lights, but most of the time it's like kind of a struggle. I'm struggling. I usually go straight to my laptop and edit, maybe upload, and I do update a lot of my Spotify playlists or do a little homework. Hello? Hey. I'm good, how are you? Low-key filming, but I'm just gonna cut this part out of the video. Am I still filming? After getting all of that work done, I decided to take a shower before dinner, and in reality, my bathroom was just painted, so I decided to take a shower in my mom's room. They have porcupines on them. Look, they have porcupines on them. They're my fave. I love them. I haven't had dinner yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs and get dinner. It's currently 8:06, so we're gonna go grub a little bit, and then we're probably gonna just come upstairs and chill, do some homework, maybe do some studying, do a lot of editing and planning for tomorrow. I don't have to go to school. Peace. Hey guys, it's time to go eat dinner. It's time to go eat dinner. Yeah. Oh, my AirPod. All of them have been eaten. Okay guys, so after I had dinner with my family, I decided to come upstairs and do this super cute like Pinteresty like picture idea that I found. And I actually went to Walgreens and printed out a ton of cute pictures, and I'm basically putting them all over my wall. So yeah.
One step is all it takes to get us moving anywhere. And now that we are on our way, I need to say what used to keep us back were just excuses made to not change. You say I promise to be there in every single way.
Look at them, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. I have to show you guys how cute these are. I'm so obsessed. Love Walgreens. Walgreens is the best. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No, it's even... I'm actually going to be whitening start over. I'm actually going to be whitening my teeth right now, and I just wanted to like kind of go through it and show you guys how to do it and how simple it is. So basically I have my Novashine box right here, and I already took the mouth kit out of it. It's a little baggie, and this is what you can put your Novashine little mouthpiece in and like take it wherever. But also underneath it is this really cool like card that is awesome, and it's basically like it's basically like a teeth guide, and it's really cool. On the bottom it says, before whitening, record your starting shade and track your progress, and it has a starting shade and they're all listed by like a number. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this right now. Obviously before you like whiten your teeth, anytime you do it, you're gonna wanna brush your teeth before, but I already did that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. So I have them connected, and I'm gonna connect it to my phone and just sit my phone like right over here and let it do its thing. And then you can just take your little whitening gel, and don't worry about the flavor, it's all mint, so there's no like weird flavor. It tastes good to me. And you just put it in the little thing, and so we're gonna do that. We're gonna whiten these teeth today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start a timer on my phone for about 12 minutes. Novashine says do it for about 10, and also I wanted to let you guys know that sensitivity is not a very big thing with Novashine. I've never experienced sensitivity, and that's crazy because usually you do. Like with the Crest whitening strips, there's always negativity afterwards. So that's why I love Novashine. It's just amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and whiten my teeth. I think my teeth are whiter. I think they're whiter. Love you, Novashine. Time for bed. Peace. I'll just show you guys that I'm turning off my lights. Unplug. Come this way, friends. Let's go. Come on. Oh my gosh. I forgot to take my contacts out. Let's go do that real fast. You guys probably don't want to see it because like people get scared of it, so like I'm just gonna like, I'm taking my contacts out. Okay, now I literally can't see anything, so taking my socks off because who sleeps with socks on? Not this girl. Okay. And now it's time to go to bed. Okay, hold up. That's not real. I actually have to get up and turn my lights off. Oh. Alright. Now we're gonna edit in the dark, and then it's lights out for AB. Peace out. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye. Welcome to my night routine.